Timbit!
Ew, don't swallow my finger.
Kerplunk!
Suplex.
Oh, jeez, I'm drunk now.
Why do you always want to come here?
Oh, he liked that. Okay, who's getting my toes? Who's trying to
Here,
eat my
try this,
toes?
look.
Oh, you want to go down with the others? Okay.
Boop.
There you go.
Puppy!
There, he's eating your
Puppy, puppy, puppy! Puppy,
You just grabbed your hair like this. Yeah, which is really nice. Come here, my little booty. I'm gonna miss you. I'm gonna miss you. I'm gonna miss you. I'm gonna miss you. Who's that?
That green boy?
Yeah. Stop it, Timmy. No, Timmy. No.
Timmy wanting to play with you?
Oh. Ow.
Now they're starting to play.
Get her. Protect me. Protect me. Protect me.
I'll help him pull.
It's Alicia. You know,
Look at this,
Blue Boy's-
Paulette.
Blue Boy's teeth are the smallest. He's
Look,
gone through so much.
they're going to pull the pants right off Mason.
No, but he doesn't. Yeah, but his teeth aren't on the bottom.
Paulette, you see? Listen to the ground and pulling.
Girl.
You're feisty.
Come on, show her his boss. Hi, Timmy. Timmy. Who are you? You're like a bull. Oh, what are you doing to me? What are you doing?
That's
No.
my foot. That's my foot.
I know, they like feet.